cup is a standard unit of measurement in cooking and baking, particularly in the United States. When measuring volume, 1 cup is equivalent to 8 fluid ounces. This measurement is used for liquids such as water, milk, or oil. However, when measuring dry ingredients like flour or sugar, the weight in ounces can vary depending on the ingredient's density. For example, 1 cup of all-purpose flour typically weighs around 4.25 to 4.5 ounces, while 1 cup of granulated sugar weighs about 7 ounces. Despite these differences, the standard conversion of 8 fluid ounces per cup remains consistent for liquid measurements. It's important to note that the cup measurement can differ in other countries. For instance, in the United Kingdom, a cup is often measured as 10 imperial fluid ounces, which is slightly larger than the US cup. To avoid confusion, especially when following recipes from different regions, it's helpful to use a kitchen scale for precise measurements or refer to conversion charts. Understanding these distinctions ensures accuracy in cooking and baking, leading to better results. Always double-check the type of cup measurement specified in a recipe to achieve the desired outcome.